Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we are doing something that is probably something I'm going to regret later, but we are only taking $3 orders. And when I say that, I mean we're only doing Postmates today. We're going to try it out, see how it is. I already know it's going to be a shit show, because I've been logged in for the last 15 minutes trying to get an order that takes me to the gym, and I've received the same exact Jack in the Box order that goes the opposite direction 5 times already. And the fact that I've been logged in for 45 minutes and they still cannot find someone to do a Jack in the Box order, and it is like, it's only like probably like 2 or 3 miles of driving distance total. But I don't want to take it now because I know that customer's pissed because their Jack in the Box order has been sitting there for, I don't know. Oh, we got another one, but it's from Subway and it's going the opposite direction. I can't take it because it's just quite literally the exact opposite direction that we're gonna go. So unfortunately, we're gonna sit here and wait till we get an order. It's my brother. What's up? So it's been like 5 minutes. We're gonna take this McDonald's order only because they keep giving, it doesn't go really that far. It's not too bad. And whatever. I guess we'll just go to the other gym because in Postmates it doesn't really matter which like area you're in because it kind of just goes around the whole entire city. It's not like broken up into different sections like Doordash is, which I kind of like that about Postmates, to be honest. I think that's like the only thing that I like, to be honest. Yeah, just kind of annoying when you get out of your dashing zone and then you have to drive all the way back to get an order. Postmates, it doesn't really matter where you are. But okay, so I guess we're taking our first $3 order of the day. It's from McDonald's, which means it's probably going to be a $3 order. And I can 95% guarantee that I am not getting a tip on this one. So it is what it is. Thinking about essentially committing delivery driver suicide tomorrow and doing a accept everything Postmates orders tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Should I accept all Postmates orders? Because that's worse than DoorDash, I think. I don't know. Well, yeah, it is because Postmates pays less, so it's worse. And they don't have specific areas, so it could literally go all the way across Las Vegas if they wanted to. And when I first started delivery driving, that's how it was. It was literally like, I'm just gonna accept everything that comes in, and that's essentially what I did for the first year because I don't know, I didn't know what I was doing, and I only had Postmates, and Postmates sucked even worse back then. You know what's funny is actually Postmates used to pay $4 per order. I don't know if it changes per city, but in Las Vegas, they used to pay $4 per order. And then they thought to themselves, why are we paying our delivery drivers a whole $4? Why don't we just pay them $3? So they lowered it down to $3. Can you imagine? Like, come on. And it's like lack of quality of service that's screwing them up, not we're paying our drivers too much. This road is so bumpy. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like Postmates is like on its way out. We all know that. They already got bought out, but it's almost like Uber is trying to sink this ship. They're just like, just let it drown. It's like, I feel like all it takes is one person, whoever ordered that Jack in the Box order that no one's ever going to pick up, to be like, okay, I'm going to try a different delivery service. They get on DoorDash right away, instantly someone picks it up. Unless there's someone who's not tipping, and then they're going to realize, oh, there's this decline now thing that where they don't accept orders, they don't have tips. I don't know, maybe. Anyways, be right back. Let's see how this Postmates order goes. I forget that Postmates has all these scam challenges where it says earn $45 for your next 8 deliveries. Only lasts another 30 minutes. Earn $180 for 60 deliveries in 5 days. Like, that means you gotta do 12 orders a day on Postmates. 12 times 3 is 36. So that's just so crazy to me that they actually, like, I remember when I first started, I always tried to get those stupid freaking goals and stuff that they would send you, and they would never give you the last delivery. It would like, you'd be like at 7 of 8, and and then they would just not give you any more deliveries till the time was up. It was like pretty much that's how it went every single time. They're like, we're not giving you that bonus. That's just for people who are dumb. Like, it sucked because I would always try to get those deliveries, and not one single time did I ever get the completion. Do you guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys do Postmates. Did you guys ever hit those goals? I don't know. Never for me though, that's for sure. All right, just pulling up to McDonald's. Of course, the line literally wraps around the entire building, which means I'm definitely going in for this one instead of going through the drive-thru. I know I'm gonna get a $3, like, there's no tip on this one, I can almost guarantee it. All right, that literally took 25 minutes. I literally sat in the store for 25 minutes. This is why I don't do Postmates. I'm pretty sure, like, DoorDash doesn't send out the deliveries to the drivers until the order is close to being ready. Postmates, I feel like they just do it right away. You know, so that, it just means that you're gonna be sitting at the restaurant for much longer than you would if you're doing something like DoorDash or a different one that's actually like on top of their stuff. Like, it's just so ridiculous. Anyways, I feel like it's like Postmates just gave up, pretty much. Like, is anyone even running that, like, app anymore? I don't know. Anyways, what a horrible idea this was. I don't know if I'm still interested in doing this, except every single Postmates order, because, I mean, so far it wouldn't have been too bad. I've gotten only like a Subway, a Jack in the Box, and a McDonald's order, and they were all in this area. They just kind of go the opposite direction that I want to go, but whatever. All right, be right back. Okay, wait, I have to throw this out there. That's the same Jack in the Box order that I've been denying over and over and over.
Yeah, understanding that
this has literally been
like, yo, I'm ready.
an hour and no one has picked up this order. I feel bad for whoever ordered that, but I am not getting it now, that's for sure. They should I should probably cancel their order if I was them. You know what's funny is every time I order on delivery, like I ordered DoorDash to my house a few days ago, and the whole time I was watching to see what was happening, where they were, like checking in to see how long it would take them to get. I feel like a lot of people just order it and then they just sit there and wait for it to show up. They don't even like check to see if like their order's been picked up or any of that stuff. Cause like, I mean, if I was that Jack in the Box order, I would have canceled it or something, you know? Like, I don't know, maybe, I wonder if Jack in the Box, if you have to like place it when you get there, or if it's already made and that order's just sitting there waiting. But I'm not picking it up, that's for sure. It's been way too long now. That's so funny that it popped up again though. Wow, I earned a whole $3.80 on that one. Wow, a whole extra 80 cents on top of what I thought I was gonna earn. And I can pretty much guarantee I am not getting a tip on that one. I'm definitely not doing more than 2 of these, that's for sure. This video is, this should be a good demonstration on why you should not be doing Postmates. Like, it's just not worth your time. If I've never done a daily dash where we didn't make like at least $10. I don't think we're gonna make $10 today. I really don't. And I'm pretty positive that guy's not gonna tip me. He looked like he was stoned out of his mind. He didn't even know if he ordered Postmates or not. How did Postmates fumble this one? They literally had the whole delivery industry at their hands. Like, they were the biggest one. They monopolized it. And then they dropped the ball. Like, Jesus. That's just horrible business right there. Alright, we got an order, but I'm not gonna take it because I'm driving the opposite direction as this order goes. I'm going to the gym, and that's more important to me than taking another $3 order. I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to put that off for now. Man, this is a crappy video so far. We're only gonna make like $7 today in the whole video, I bet. Yep, that's it. Just $7. Just 7. By the way, real quick, for those of you who picked Francis, damn, that UFC last night was like straight up Mortal Kombat. Like, the finishes were insane. When Sugar Sean finished, forget the other guy's name. It was like, he was just laying on the ground, the ref was like, keep going. and just like drops this bomb on his face and just puts him out cold. It was like, that was like the finisher. And then of course the heavyweight fight was just like, my heart was like pumping out of my chest. It was like so insane, but I knew it was not gonna end well for Stipe the moment I saw him standing next to Francis, because he was outweighed by 40 pounds easily. He weighed in at 263, but you know he had to cut at least 10 pounds to weigh in at that mark. He's actually around like 275, 280 or so. So the fact that Stipe is only weighing 233 pounds versus someone that's closer to 280, it's not even fair. It's just not. It's like there should be a different weight class. There's just no other people that are Francis's size that he can fight, really. But anyways, yeah, it was an epic UFC and totally worth all $69 that I paid for it. Definitely. Right, we are taking a delivery real quick. This is, gotta turn around real quick. Okay, check this out. Bam. I don't know if you can see that. I just have to drive literally back one block and then forward to where I am right now. Like literally I'm right next to the house that I'm delivering to pretty much. It's just a little bit south. So we're just gonna backtrack real quick, get another $3 order in, and then I'm totally wrapping this video because I am not doing any more of these. Unless we get a good tip, maybe I'll do another one, but I don't think we're getting a tip. And I don't think I can even know if I'm getting a tip until tomorrow or something like that. That's the worst thing about Postmates is I don't think there's anything good about Postmates other than there's no zones. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing though. The zones probably make more sense though for like DoorDash's perspective, so they don't just have a bunch of people in one small area. So with that said, yeah, the zones make a lot more sense. But let's see, how will I even know? I'm gonna get a $10.99 from DoorDash this year for like $12. Like I'm not gonna make any money. Last year I think I made probably like a couple hundred last year, but I didn't really do it at all. Oh no, I forgot that Postmates does this. They added on an order, and I'm not doing it. Maybe I'll do it. It actually looks like it's relatively really good. Okay, Teriyaki Madness, same parking lot, dropping off. Oh, it's dropping off even closer. Okay, this order is literally, it looks like this is what they gave me. So, alright, it's not bad, but I have to remember, turn off orders. That's like rule number 1 of Postmates, and I totally forgot. Okay, straight up, this is BS. Even though I had, look, it even says resume offers, like it's not there. They gave me another order. I don't know, maybe it was before or something, but they added on another order. So they're trying to get me to do 3 orders at one time. And that's a BS because I am not taking that last one. It goes way the heck the opposite direction than I need to go. So I'm gonna figure out how to cancel that one because I am not doing that one. That was the last one that they added on. And now I already have 2 orders, you know. I'm not gonna do 3 orders for some. Like, geez, that's because Postmates, they can't get anyone to take these orders anymore. This will probably be the last time I do Postmates, I'll be real. Ask them to cancel the one order, which they did. I'm already almost to delivering the first order, and they canceled both of the orders, and I already have the food for one of them, and now it won't allow me to contact the customer service again. I'm like, yo, I already have their food, I'm already almost to their place, and they canceled the delivery on me. Dude, Postmates is such a shit show. Yeah, I don't think I can even do it and accept every delivery, because I don't think I have the tolerance for this anymore. Like, this, I'm gonna make $7, and this is just gonna be an absolute nightmare. This is, either I'm absolutely retarded and I really suck at Postmates, or this is just like, I don't know, the worst delivery business in modern day history, which it is. So, I don't even, yeah, it is. It just is. Okay, so, now that I've dropped off that order, I still have no way of contacting customer service to get this order dropped off. So now I'm stuck with someone's food. And I don't know. Am I supposed to just go by Teriyaki Madness and assume that no one else is going to pick up this order or something? Or like, I'm already right next to Teriyaki Madness, but I don't know. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? What should I do, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Should I just go give them their food back? I guess. It's a shit show. Alright, that is going to wrap up today's shit show of a video. That was absolutely horrible. I cannot believe how bad that ended up. And I'm barely getting to the gym, and it's been like an hour and a half or so. Jesus, this is just horrible. Horrible. Anyways, alright, thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, by the way, I had to go back and give their food back to the restaurant because I couldn't get a hold of customer service, which is the most ridiculous thing ever. That there's no way to just live contact them without emailing them. That's the best they can do is email? Really? Jesus. Okay, whatever. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This video sucked. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, real quick, I gotta give it to Postmates. I just got a $4.80 tip on one of the orders. It's been about an hour and a half or so. And, yeah, I mean, either way, I still made about like $10 or $11. No, $10 basically. Sorry, I just left the gym. And I got an order for $7.85 from Doordash, and it's just 1 mile. So I'm already gonna make pretty much more money on one order from Doordash. That's just showing why I don't do Postmates anymore. All right, peace.